Today we have attended a 2 days workshop on logistic technology.
तो आज हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 दिन के ड्रोन लॉजिस्टिक के वर्कशॉप पे आए.
Today in India, we have trained about 3,500 candidates for flying the drones.
So we are very grateful to both Dr. Senthil and Wing Commander Shrikant Saab that you could spare time, you could travel to the northernmost from Kanyakumari to almost to Kargil now.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again my most humble, sincere greetings to all of you. Julie, good morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Ladies and gentlemen, may now request you all to kindly rise for the national anthem. Thank you. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Banga Vidya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchala Chalati Taranga Tab Shubh Naame Jage Tab Shubh Ashish Mange गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Chief guest of today's program, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Saket Kushwaha. Guest of Honor, Madam Banu Prabha, IAS, Secretary, Department of Higher Education, UT Ladakh. Special guest and esteemed collaborator, Professor K. Senthil, Director, Center for Aerospace Research, Anna University, Chennai. Dr. Padma Gurmat, Director, National Institute of Sovar Rigpa, Leh. Wing Commander, Retired Shri R.K. Shrikant Ji. Professor Somdev Bhardwaj, Vigyan Bharati. Deans of all different schools, coordinators, faculty, participants, students, and my dear friends. A very warm good morning to all. I, Dr. Qudsiya Tabassum, on the behalf of University of Ladakh, welcome you all to the inaugural session of this 2-day program on logistic drone technology, remote pilot training and its application, jointly organized by University of Ladakh and Center for Aerospace Research Center, Anna University, Chennai. To formally begin now, may I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to kindly felicitate our guest with traditional kathaks and a memento.
संथिल सर, स्वागत है.
Thank you all.
Sir.
Yeah, very pleasure and blessed to be here.
Deep Prajvalan or lightning of lamp, which signifies the beginning of a program which shows the knowledge, wisdom and positivity. Ladies and gentlemen, may now I request our dignitaries on the stage to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you.
भाई तरीका तो बता दीजिए. क्या रुके रहिए, अब इतना जल्दी नहीं पूछते. अब क्या करना है आप?
दीप प्रज्वलन से.
तो इसको कैसे हटाते, कैसा हो जाएगा?
नहीं सर, इस पे रखना है.
अच्छा, रखना है. ओके मैडम, शुरू करें आप.
place it.
Nice.
It's a solar.
Correct. Very nice arrangement.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Thank you so much. So to start the program, I now request Dr. Ibrahim Yusuf, Organizing Secretary of this two-day workshop, to kindly present what is all about this workshop. So sir, kindly address the gathering about this workshop. Thank you.
On behalf of Organizing Committee, I, Dr. Ibrahim Yusuf, the Organizing Secretary, welcome you all for the two-day workshop on Logistic Drone Technology, Remote Pilot Training and its Application, which is jointly organized by University of Ladakh and Center for Aerospace Research, Anna University. The primary objective of the workshop is to deliver in-depth theoretical and practical knowledge regarding logistic drone technology and remote pilot training, emphasizing their significant role in overcoming logistical hurdles presented by the unique geographical and climatic condition of Ladakh. This workshop aims to raise awareness, enhance technical capabilities, encourage research collaborations, and support innovation in logistics and transportation through drone technology and certified pilot training. Drone technology, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle UAV technology, had rapidly evolved over the past 2 decades, transforming various industries and reshaping the way we interact with the world. Initially developed for military use, drones are now widely employed in the field of agriculture, delivery services, disaster management, filmmaking, and environmental monitoring. Drone is an aircraft without a human pilot on board, controlled remotely or autonomously using software and GPS. Modern drones are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and navigation systems, allowing them to perform complex tasks with high precision. For example, in agriculture, drones are used to monitor crop health, apply fertilizers, and improve overall farm efficiency. In emergency situations, drones can reach areas inaccessible to humans, delivering aid or assessing damage after natural disasters like earthquake or floods.
Ladies and gentlemen, before I call the next our guest for inaugural remarks, I am delighted to share a brief intro of Professor Senthil Kumar, a pioneering researcher, educator, and entrepreneurial scientist. Dr. Kumar has been a driving force in India's UAV ecosystem since 2005, inspiring engineers to become innovators. With early recognition from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and DARPA, his efforts have positioned India on a path of becoming a global drone hub. Dr. Senthil Kumar achieved a world record by flying a Class U, subclass U3 multi-rotor UAV, that is nearly 6 to 25 kg internal combustion jet engine for 45 minutes and 1 second in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, certified by the Federation Aeronautic International, Netherlands. His team has excelled in prestigious global challenges such as Drone Challenge, Australian Medical Express Challenge, and SON drones for the Indian Army and Air Force. Their UAV innovations extend to precision agriculture, disaster management, smart governance, natural resource mapping, and rural-urban employment generation. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you all to give a huge round of applause for our next guest for his inaugural remarks, Dr. Professor Senthil Kumar. Thank you, sir.
Very good morning all. Today I am very happy to be here, part of this drone workshop and conference, particularly in Leh Ladakh area. First of all, I would like to know who we are. We are from Chennai. From Chennai, almost we travel 3,000 kilometers away here, and give a training about drones. Not only training, an awareness program. The drone has multiple applications. I think Dr. Ibrahim has explained very well. I am very proud to say Drone is a name coined by us in India in the year 2000. We are the innovators for drone. That is because of Dr. Kalam. In the year 2000, I was a student of Dr. Kalam. I am studying my MTech in Aerospace Engineering, a famous college called Madras Institute of Technology. It is an institute. First we started aerospace engineering in India in 1949. First aerospace engineering college started in 1949. It comes under Anna University. Actually, we have 600 plus engineering colleges under Anna University. We are 227 years of old institute, almost 227 years old institute, and we are teaching the aerospace since 1949. How to make a smaller drone, how to make a bigger drone, and how to make a trainings. Today in India, we have trained about 3,500 candidates for flying the drones. Total candidates trained in India is about 10,000. Almost 40% of the candidates has been trained by us. Even many of the army peoples and IAS, IPS officers from Gujarat, they travel to Chennai, they stay in our campus. It's a very beautiful campus. They stay in our campus and they will learn the drone and they'll get a license and they'll go to their place and start the business. But you people are very lucky that Ladakh University wanted to start a training here. So all the training in maybe in another formalities are there. I requested Madam also and Vice Chancellor also to explain the process. Once it is done, you will get official training center here. Within 7 to 10 days, you come over here, our team is here. You can train from the experts and get your certificates and get your drones and get your earnings also. All the best. Thank you.
UT have asked us to identify some spot as a medicinal plant hotspot area or medicinal plant conservation area. That time it's quite hard, actually go everywhere and document, see physically that where the plants are available. It is at the same time-taking exercise. So what we have done is, actually in Ladakh, we don't have professional drone flyers, but we have some cameramen who has this production house has drones. So we hired a camera person and took him to the mountains and surveyed this Khardongla and Warila area through drone, how is the density of plants. So with that, we could recommend 2 spots as a medicinal plant conservation area for UT Ladakh.
सबसे पहले it's such a pleasure to listen to scholars and researchers like Dr. Senthil here, accompanied by another very bright mind behind drone technology in Anna University, our Wing Commander Shrikant sir, Dr. Padma Gurmit ji and Dr. Kushwaha साहब. It's हम सब के लिए बहुत फ़ख्र की बात है कि ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे आज हम वर्कशॉप कर रहे हैं. यूजुअली क्या होता है यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, हम एकेडमिक्स में जब बात करते हैं तो कई बार वी टॉक अबाउट सब्जेक्ट्स विच आर अ लिटिल आउटडेटेड, बट नाउ इज़ द टाइम, लाइक सर सेड, दिस coming years are going to be driven by drones and not big machines and big aircrafts and fighter jets and all. So हमारे लिए बहुत एक और चीज़ इसलिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाती है क्योंकि हम सबको पता है लद्दाख का सर द इंटायर एरिया ऑफ लद्दाख वुड बी सम 50,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, सब उसके आसपास है, मगर जो पॉपुलेशन रहती है दैट इज़ कंसनट्रेटेड इन रफली 700-800 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, है ना. तो 50,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में फैला लद्दाख और केवल 800 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में हम सब रहते हैं, है ना. सो इसीलिए इट बिकम्स इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. अब अगर कोई कंसंट्रेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अगर इवन है तो रीचिंग आउट इज ईजी. बट आप जब लद्दाख आए होंगे और जब जाएंगे, यू वुड सी फ्रॉम योर फ्लाइट्स दैट इट्स ऑल बैरन. इट्स ईदर स्नो और हार्ड रॉक वाइज कर सके. जैसा कि सर ने बताया कि अब ड्रोन्स इतने एडवांस हो गए हैं कि लगभग 40-45 किलो का वजन, 40-45 kg का वेट ड्रोन से हम ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. सो सर यू विल बी सरप्राइज बिकॉज द टेरेन इज सो हार्श एंड वेदर इज सो डिफिकल्ट. यहाँ पे वी यूज़ बैक्टीरियन कैमल्स एंड कुछ एरियाज में शायद याक्स वगैरह का यूज़ होता है टू टेक द लॉजिस्टिक्स फ्रॉम ग्राउंड टू द आर पोस्ट टू द आर्मी पोस्ट. सो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट टेक्स टाइम, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड हमें बहुत सारे पोर्टर्स को, यहाँ के लोकल लोगों को हमें डिप्यूट करना पड़ता है. तो अगर ड्रोन्स कैन हेल्प अस, हमारे लिए इससे तो अच्छी कोई चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती है. सो आई जस्ट सी बी इट टूरिज़्म, और जैसा अभी डॉक्टर गुरमीत ने भी बोला, मेडिसिनल यहाँ पे सर इट्स स्टिल अनडिस्कवर्ड. यहाँ पे ऐसी सी फ्लोरा एंड फौना है जिसके बारे में डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं किया जा रहा बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू रीच आउट टू दोज places. So with your drones we are very hopeful that not just agriculture, not just tourism, but also our army, our defense forces would be very helped and supported, and we really look forward to this workshop. इसीलिए हमने आज हर बैकग्राउंड से लोगों को बुलाया. आर्मी से भी हैं, टूरिज़म से हैं, एग्रीकल्चर से है, कुछ हमारे ITIs और पॉलिटेक्निक से भी हैं. आइडिया ये है कि आने वाले सालों में ड्रोन हमारे लिए कितना हेल्पफुल हो सकता है वो हमें पता चल गया, बट अब उसको एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करना है उसी के बारे में ये वर्कशॉप होगी. एंड सर विल गाइड अस how best we can make use of this available technology. So we are very grateful to both Dr. Senthil and Wing Commander Shrikant Saab that you could spare time, you could travel to the northernmost from Kanyakumari to almost to Kargil now. So we are very grateful that you could spare time, and आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर हैं प्लीज़ बहुत अच्छे से फ़ायदा उठाइए इन दोनों की प्रेजेंस का, बिकॉज दे आर दी मास्टर्स ऑफ दिस टेक्नोलॉजी.
Ladies and gentlemen, for next our guest is Wing Commander K.R. Shrikant, retired.
Firstly, very good morning to each and every one of you here. The August gathering, on dais, off the dais, and the most important set of people, the future leaders and the responsible citizens who are among us as the students. The nation depends on the next generation with their motivation and how well they are going to handle and take this country forward. Keeping my laurels behind, being part of the fighting force, Indian Air Force, I have dedicated myself, having taken a premature retirement, getting associated with Anna University, because the next entity which is joining the sky is drone technology, which is going to be the backbone. Because fighting a war, as Professor said and Madam also claimed, a war is not a solution. It is actually taking behind your economy by 40 to 50 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again my most humble, sincere greetings to all of you. Namaskar, Jule, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, I do agree that university has 4 verticals to part with. When I say 4 verticals, meaning teaching, research, outreach activities and community service. These are 4 verticals we have in academia, in the university. Usually we are concentrating, our energy is bordering around only 2 activities, teaching and research. Outreach activities and community service, we put it at the last ladder. But nowadays, those universities who are getting A++ in NAC or who are within 100 NIRF ranking, their activities are also given equal priorities to those other two neglected verticals.
It is my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the University of Ladakh and the organizing team of this two-day workshop on logistic drone technology, remote pilot training and its application. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, for his address to the August gathering and his steadfast support. Sir, your vision and mission in organizing this workshop reflect a deep commitment to the empowerment of the future generation, not only across the nation but especially for the youth of Ladakh. Your far-sightedness in promoting drone technology and remote pilot training will surely open new frontiers of opportunity for our region, preparing us for the challenges and possibilities of the modern world. I am equally grateful to our guest of honor, Secretary, Department of Higher Education, UT Ladakh, Ma'am Bhanu Prabha, for sparing her valuable time in spite of her busy schedule to be with us today. Your insightful remarks have provided us with immense encouragement and have strengthened our resolve to take forward the objectives of this workshop.
Thank you all for your patience and precious time. Now, with this, we end our inaugural session, and I request you all to please gather for a group photo outside.
Today we have attended a 2 days workshop on logistic technology, pilot training on drone, and we are very happy here together. And as a drone is the new technology, and we are new to it, so we want to learn a lot and gather so many insights from this 2 days workshop. Thank you for the organization.
Julie Samala, ngime jikme te chenlile. Teninga adring ka University of Ladakh ngaya ika drone warfare technology ka ngaya ika lobjong 2 days workshop chi dukle te ka ngaya ika adring training askutle. Teni I workshop ina adring ngaya drone warfare nang te drone nang te samis ko ngaya mang pochi ke jangches thoble. Tene ting yapung ngaya ketna ngaya class guni ngaya department ngaya kono samat mil ngaya kena drone jikwe na ya mane drone jisko ngaya lomin jigyot ne ta iga tai jakmangi sin ngaya to rewa chul ngaya ketna sam chi ngaya lomin tazuk chi ngaya jangche si zukpo ngaya fulfill chine.
तो आज हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 दिन के ड्रोन लॉजिस्टिक के वर्कशॉप पे आए. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे हर बैकग्राउंड से आए. तो we are from tourism background, so हमारे ऑल्टोआ की तरफ से we have 9 members here. Hopefully हम we are looking forward कि हम इस चीज़ 2 दिन के वर्कशॉप से काफ़ी चीज़ सीखने को मिले. बिकॉज हाँ, ये हर चीज़ में ड्रोन काम आते हैं. स्पेशली इन आर इंडस्ट्री क्या है कि हम जितने ड्रोन शॉट्स लेके उसी को देख के नॉर्मली टूरिस्ट आते हैं. तो होपफुली वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस 2 days वर्कशॉप. थैंक यू.
हम लोग आज यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं लद्दाख यूनिवर्सिटी में. यहाँ ड्रोन पर वर्कशॉप चल रहा है. जैसा कि आप सभी जान रहे हैं कि लद्दाख जैसे हार्श और ऐसे हार्श टेरेन में जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी बहुत ही कम है और लोग बहुत कम संख्या में अलग अलग जगहों पे रह रहे हैं, ऐसे जगह के लिए ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. और यहाँ पे लॉजिस्टिक ड्रोन अगर जो हैं 40-50 kg तक के जो लोड उठा सकें, ऐसे ड्रोन बहुत ही यहाँ पे महत्वपूर्ण होंगे जो कि मेडिकल सप्लाई या फिर अदर जो भी एसेंशियल सर्विसेज की सप्लाई के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होंगे.
Hello, good morning. I'm here for this 2-day workshop on logistic drone technology, remote pilot training and its application. Basically, I'm from agriculture background. We are at School of Agriculture Science and Technology at Stagna, and I'm working as a scientist come assistant professor on forestry. So I'm here to look forward to this drone technology, using its application in ecology-based sciences. I'm thinking that I might learn some technology which can help me, ease population estimation, and ecology. So yes, I'm here for that.